Hi everyone, this is Dallas Smith from Peavine Ridge Farms, and as you can see, it's a beautiful morning today. Light's just hitting the house perfectly. I'm gonna go kind of wide angle for this because I'm gonna be rolling out this bale for the cows. I just put it down to cut the net wrap off. There's been a few things that have happened. Their little shelter logic shelter got busted up. I think the bull actually broke one of the inside legs in it, and then he pushed it over. So it wasn't that windy compared to what it's gone through. But yeah, we drug it out of the pen and it will be rebuilt. So yeah, I'll roll this out and I'll continue the video, especially before the girls start coming over, because then it becomes annoying. All right, I'm gonna pause. Alrighty, I got the baler rolled out, which is rolled out all the way to over there where it gets super deep and the bale sunk. But here, the snow is super crusty. You can actually walk on it. So it's like foot deep. Yeah. Hopefully that doesn't hurt their feet too bad. But at least I got most of this field the snow busted up, but I just like to put the hay where they haven't been fed before, just to spread out the nutrients and everything. Dog's barking at something. But yeah, they're pretty happy. We'll go and check out the damage on that temporary calf shelter we built. See how much damage Hal did to it. But yeah, the girls are pretty happy. I noticed this stuff is actually pretty high, quite a bit of alfalfa and stuff. At least right here, and the frozen stuff, there's a lot of frozen alfalfa leaves. So yeah, they should be happy. A bunch of other stuff there. And they got a bunch more over there. Hop back in the tractor, go check out their little shelter over there. Alrighty, here's our temporary shelter that I believe the bull took down. You'll see right here, I think that was the first to go. They actually got pooped on. And the biggest issue is that it rained and slushed the day before yesterday, and then it froze hard, so now it's stuck to the ground, so it's gonna be a little hard to take apart. At least to rescue the tarp right away. As you can see, that little generator there is running to defrost their waters. We don't have like a permanent frost-free water setup here. The cows, at least, we just pump water once a day and fills up their water good enough for a day, and they drink it all down. These guys, there's not enough of them to like drink down their trough. Just sitting there munching on hay in his bedding. So yeah, we have to run a gen. At least the thing doesn't use much fuel, or any fuel really. Those inverter generators are pretty efficient. But yeah, it'd be nice. Our plans in the future is to get some permanent water set up and everything and stuff. And permanent shelters. This thing was kind of a stopgap when it was minus 40 and windy. But it worked when it stood up. It was like, survived all sorts of windstorms, everything. Just Mr. Bull, I believe, got frisky one day and decided to take out some legs. And then it didn't survive that. So we'll probably rebuild it. We'll just have to put collars over the joints that are broken and stuff, and cut out pieces and put collars and bolts on them. The material itself is too thin to weld to, I believe. But yeah, we'll rebuild it, permanently anchor it somewhere where we won't be haying or anything in the future. Because the tarp's still in good shape so far. And there's enough leg material here to rebuild. So we'll do that. As you can see, it's a pretty cold day, especially when it was like raining most of the week, or most of like Thursday and stuff. Friday it's cleared up, but it was still warm, and then last night it went down to minus 11, so everything's solid. Really crusty snow and layers of ice on everything. Makes for fun weather. I think I'll end with just looking at these nice round bales we got here, all from our own hay fields. And thanks for watching. This is Dallas Smith from Peavine Ridge Farms, and hope to see you next time. Bye.